Hey, welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here. So today I'll be talking about how to repair damaged bleached skin to regain your natural skin after using bleaching chemical like hydroquinone or hydrogen peroxide. Stop using that product that is bleaching your skin immediately and focus on hydrating and moisturizing your skin. Using products like niacinamide, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and peptide can help repair your skin. Not to worry, I am here to guide you. Okay guys, the first step to repair your damaged bleached skin is to stop using bleaching cream. This is the first step to repairing your skin because continuous use of that product will further damage your skin and cause very dangerous effects to your skin. Secondly, what you need is a mild moisturizer. You don't need any moisturizer that promises to lighten your skin or bleach your skin or whiten your skin at this point. You need mild moisturizers that just promises to nourish and repair your skin. Moisturizers like the Olay Revitalizing Body Lotion, moisturizers like the Advanced Clinical Vitamin C, moisturizers like the Garnier Vitamin C. These are very good mild vitamin C body lotions that will help to moisturize your skin, restore your skin to its original state. Remember that these might take long. It might take 2 to 3 months, but this moisturizer will restore your skin, okay? Because they contain products like vitamin C, they contain niacinamide and ceramide that will repair your skin, build back your skin elasticity, and also repair your skin damaged barrier. Moisturizers are very good. They will help to restore your skin and just bring back your skin natural complexion. It might take time, but patience and consistency matters at this stage. Then the next thing that you need to do is to exfoliate your skin. It is very, very important to exfoliate your skin because when you use body scrub, when you use exfoliant, it will help to remove the surface skin, that is the dead skin cells on your surface skin, to enable new skin cell to regenerate. So you need to really exfoliate your skin. Exfoliate twice in a week. It will help you to bring back your skin to its natural state. So I will recommend that you get these wheat gold coffee and sugar body scrub, and also get this Dr. Mina vitamin C body scrub. This body scrub will help to exfoliate your skin, to bring back your skin natural complexion, to also remove dead skin cells from your body, okay? And they will help to prepare a good and a clean base for you in order to enable your body lotion and every other products that you'll be using on your body to work very well. All right guys, so the next thing that you need in order to restore your skin to its normal state is to use a body oil. Body oil will help to nourish your skin. Body oils will also help to provide extra hydration and moisture to your skin. They will help to give your skin a supple and a healthy look. So I will recommend that you get this Vaseline body oil. If you cannot get this Vaseline body oil, I will also recommend that you get these Aveeno oil. These are very good oil. Or you can even get this Vitgo vitamin C oil. Yes, you can get these ones. These are very good oil that will provide nourishment to your skin and just make you look very soft and supple. Remember that these oils will restore your skin, but it will take time. It will take like 2 to 3 months, okay? So be patient and remember to always be consistent with this product. Alright guys, the next thing that you need is a sunscreen. A sunscreen will help to protect you from further damage. It will also protect you from the UV rays from the sun. So I will advise that you get these Aqua Misha sunscreen. If you cannot get this Aqua Misha sunscreen, Sun Cut is also very good. Get this Sun Cut sunscreen. You can use this sunscreen both on your face and your body. It will help you. Alright guys, that is that for body care. Now for face care, in case you have sunburn and the pigmentation as a result of this your bleaching chemicals, what you will need is a face cleanser, okay? A face cleanser that will just mildly cleanse your skin and bring out dirt and impurities. So I would advise that you get this simple moisturizing face wash. After this face wash, the next thing that you need is to get a hyaluronic acid serum very important. It will help to hydrate your skin and also give your skin a plump look. Okay, it will help to give your skin a plump look. Get hyaluronic acid serum. I will leave a picture of it here. You can get any one, so long as it is hyaluronic acid serum, it will help work. It will help you. Now if you cannot get hyaluronic acid serum, you can get niacinamide serum. This niacinamide serum will also help you to restore your skin and give your skin a plump look. Get any of these. Okay, just get any niacinamide serum or any hyaluronic serum from any company that will do the job for you. All right guys, and the next thing that you need is a moisturizer. You need a moisturizer. Don't go and get moisturizers that contain kojic acid. Don't get moisturizer that contain abutin. Please get moisturizer that contain niacinamide or vitamin C, okay, in order to restore your skin and fade that sunburn and blemishes on your skin. I would advise that you get this face fact ceramide moisturizer, because this moisturizer contains 5 ceramide that will help to repair your skin. Okay, very good. It will help to repair your damaged skin barrier. This moisturizer is so good and it is affordable. You can get it for 6,000 naira. Okay, now and lastly, your sunscreen. I have talked about your sunscreen. You can get the sun coat, or if you cannot lay your hands on sun coat, you can get the skin aqua. These are all very good sunscreens. Okay, you need to protect your skin from further damage from the sun, and your sunscreen will also be as a shield between your skin and the sun in order to protect you. Remember that consistency is key when you're trying to repair your damaged bleached skin, and also remember that supplements are also very important. I would advise that you get the collagen supplement, because collagen supplement help to repair your skin and also help to build new skin cell. It helps with skin cell regeneration. All right guys, here we have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to hit the subscription button. Thank you and do have a nice time. Bye.